Hi and welcome to MarineMax Westbrook. My name is Captain Dawn Schieferdecker and we're going to be walking through a 21-foot SPX SeaRay. This present model has got a blue hull and the trailer featured with it is a part of the package. Now that we're on board the 21 SeaRay, you'll notice that the swim platform, sea deck, non-skid, padding, and as we come into the boat there is convenient access to your battery storage. The engine is a 4.5 liter 200 horsepower stern drive, and then once we get into the cockpit, this particular model usually comes with a snap-in carpet. Pretty much under every single seat you have storage, which gives you plenty of space to load up the boat for a great day on the water. An example of this is the in-floor storage, which will hold water skis, wakeboards, and all sorts of gear. One feature that I'm particularly impressed with is the 9-inch SIMRAD multi-function display that we find at the helm. You'll notice that there's not a lot of dials and gauges because everything is integrated into one unit and it's all touch screen. So you have GPS, chart plotting, depth sounding, and all of your engine data in one screen. It's very seamless and easy to use. We also have stereo, which is Bluetooth compatible, making sure that you have all of your favorite music with you on the water. There's additional storage on the port side and more storage under the seats at the bow. Really a fantastic boat and a fun boat to get your family on the water for an awesome day. Thank you for watching the video and come see us at MarineMax Westbrook at 627 Boston Post Road, Westbrook, Connecticut.